Hello and welcome back on my YouTube channel once again. As you know that I am RP Yadav and here you will learn daily speaking English guides. Today I am coming here with a suggestion. You can call it method, not only suggestion. It is a technique. By using this method, you can speak English. If you try to tell anyone story, if you want to speak English, you should apply this technique. By using this technique, millions of people can speak English. So why not you? But before it, you should learn simple grammar as simple past, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Maybe it is used very little, but it is also important. If we talk about simple past, we use was or were. Subject plus was or were plus object. Present past infinite, subject plus second form of the verb. Past perfect, subject plus had plus third form of the verb. These three tense is very important to tell anyone about any story. So without any delay, let's start the story. Once there was a boy. His name was Lalua. He went to a forest and he chose a tall and straight tree to cut. Suddenly a strange person came there and he saw that strange person. He asked the person who came there, asked him, "What are you doing here?" Then he replied, I am making a noose to kill all the devils who are living in this field or in this garden. That's why I am making a noose to kill every person who has not a good character. Hearing this, he became very fear and he said, "Please forgive me, don't kill me. What you need, I will try to give you everything." Then he asked, "If you want to give me anything, please give me a sack of gold." And the devil gave him all that things and go near his chief and told everything. His chief told him that he is making you fool. He tricked with you. Go and said him, "I want to fight with him. I want to fight with you." Then that devil went to Lalua and said him, "I want to fight with you." But Lalua was very cool mind. He said, "If you want to fight with me, please first fight with my old father. I am much strong person. If you defeat my father, I will accept that I am defeated." That's why he pointed a cave of lion and said to devils, "In this cave my father lived." Hearing this, devil take the enter in that cave and the lion kicked him, and after that he ran away to his chief. His chief asked him, "You are again tricked by that boy. Go again and tell them that you want to make a race with him." He another time go with him. Sorry, I make mistake. He another time went to the forest and meet the Lalua and said him, I want to make a race with you. Lalua was very intelligent person. He told him, if you want to race with me, please defeat my child first. If you defeat my child first, I will accept my defeat. Okay? After that, he make another times him fool. Like this you can create your environment and you can also speak like this. Okay? Bye.